Welcome to our playlist with many examples where we have two square root terms and we need to solve the equation. Let us understand the strategy and enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we have a brilliant question for you. We need to solve square root of 3 plus 2x plus square root of 3 minus x equals to 3. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, this is indeed a very good question. Couple of strategies will be utilized to solve this. Let us see how do we do that. So let's begin by copying the question, which is square root of 3 plus 2x square root plus square root of 3 minus x equals to 3. So first step should be, let's get rid of at least one square root. So we'll keep one term on the left side, which is 3 plus 2x square root, and take the other to the right side. So we get 3 minus square root of 3 minus x. And now we'll square both sides. So square means radical sign goes from the left hand side. And here we get 3 minus square root of 3 minus x whole square. So we get 3 plus 2x equals 2. So when you square it, you get 9 minus 2ab. So 2 times 3 is 6, square root of 3 minus x, right? And plus square of this, which is 3 minus x. Make sense? So we applied the formula, which is a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Clear? So with that, we expanded. But still, we do have a radical sign. You see that? So we'll bring that to the left hand side. So we get 6 square root of 3 minus x equals to. Rest of the terms, we bring it here. 9 plus 3, open the bracket, right? Minus x. So these terms minus 3 minus 2x. Clear? Perfect. And so we get 6 square root of 3 minus x equals to 9 plus 3 minus 3 is 9. Minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Okay. Now, we can actually divide by 3 and then simplify this, right? So we can divide by 3. So we get 2 square root of 3 minus x equals to 3 minus x. Correct. We can again square both sides. So when I square both sides, I get 4. Within radical goes, we get 3 minus x equals to 3 minus x whole square, right? Which is 9 minus 2ab, or should I write 3 minus x whole square? Then we'll expand, okay? Perfect, not a bad thing, right? So we can actually bring them together to the left side or right hand side and then again do it. So 0 equals 2. So I'm not expanding. I'm writing this as this minus 4 times 3 minus x. Makes sense? So which is 0 equals to 3 minus x. We can factor it out, right? Ultimately, we have to factor. So we get 3 minus x here and minus 4 from there. Correct. So 0 equals to 3 minus x times, we get 3 minus, that means minus 1 minus x. Correct. So that becomes the factored form of this particular equation. And this actually gives us two solutions, which is x equals to 3 and the other one is x equals to 1. Now see, we have two solutions. We should actually check whether they do give us the right answer or not. You get the idea? So we have two solutions which we are now going to check. X equals to 3 and x equals to 1. So let's go to the new page. So we have two solutions, x equals to 3 and x equals to 1. So let's check for x equals to 3. So in that case, if I substitute 3 here, I get square root of 3 plus 2 times 3, which is 6. And then we got plus 3 minus 3, right? What is this equal to? 6 plus 3 is 9 square root, right? That is 0. And this is indeed 3, so which is equal to right hand side, right? Makes sense? So that really works perfect. Not an issue. But what happens when I substitute 1 here? Let's see that part, right? So now let's check for x equals to 1. So if I have 1 substitute here, so I get 3 plus 2 plus square root of 3 minus 1. So which is square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Now this is not equal to 3, correct? So that is not a solution. Perfect. So this is not a solution. So the only solution here is x equals to 3. Makes sense? So that is how we could actually figure out that there is an extraneous root and there is one solution, right? Which is x equals to 3. Makes sense, right? So that is how we should be solving this particular question. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.